Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in stocks in Cash App. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I'm on the Cash app here on my iPhone. You can do the same steps on an Android as well. The first thing that we need to do is tap on the little home button at the bottom left, or if you have a balance, it will be the dollar amount that you have in balance. Now, if I tap on my balance here, you can see I have $0 to invest, but this is perfectly fine because I can always pull in funds from a checking account, a savings account, stuff like that. So let's start investing in stocks. All we need to do is scroll down until you find here stocks, invest with $1. I'm going to hit the start button and it says start investing in stocks, and I can hit buy stocks here. You can see it automatically pops into most traded stocks: Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, etc. Let's say I wanted to buy some Nvidia today. You can see when I pop in here, it's automatically going to give me the day view of the stock, how it's performed today. But I can go over to the week. You can see it's down quite a bit for the week. But if I go over to 1 year, it's up a bit for a year. And then all time, of course, Nvidia's done great. So you can see I can scroll down. I can see more information about that stock, the CEO, the number of employees, the current price, market cap, the revenue, the gross profit, the net profit, etc. So after you invest in a stock, you'll essentially own a fractional share or a percentage of that company. So make sure that you're good with that, you like that company, and then you can hit the buy button. You can say, it says order one time, and I can change this order. You can see auto invest, set up automatically daily, weekly, or bi-weekly purchases, or I can choose a custom order. And basically it says automatically buy Nvidia if it reaches a share price that you choose. So you can say, hey, if it drops down to this price, then I want to buy it, but otherwise I don't want to buy it, stuff like that. But let's say in this case, I just want to choose $1 of Nvidia and hit next. After that, it pops up with this screen. It says to set up, we need a bit more details. So you might need to give them more information about your account. In my case, I'm just going to enter in my information about my account, my home address, and then they'll also need my email address. So let me just enter that in here now, and then hit next. After I've done that, it will send me a code. So let's see if I've gotten that code sent to my email. There's that confirmation code. Let's just auto-fill that and hit verify. After we've done that, you can see I'm self-employed. I make YouTube videos. So I'm going to hit next and then enter in the business name. I'm going to do that real quick and then hit next. Now, keep in mind, you only need to do this just one time. And what's my job title? I'm going to say creator and hit next. After all of these, let's say none of these apply. And then I'll need to enter in the last 4 digits of my social security number. After you've done that, if you go through this entire process, essentially you'll be able to buy a fractional share, only $1 worth of a share. Essentially, you'll start investing in those companies. You'll be able to see as they grow through time. You can always choose to invest more, or you can withdraw that money from stocks by selling those stocks and bringing the money back into your Cash app if you wanted to, etc. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.